Hey, so I wanted to pop on again and show you a haul that I did when I went to Hobby Lobby. 66% off. Can you believe it? I got so many cool items, so many pretty glamorous things, and I just wanted to share it with you. Here's a look at my wreath and garland that came from these products. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So I have to record on my phone because, Tink, what are you doing? Say hello. Say hello, Tinkerbell. Okay, go away. Okay, go away. All right, I'm trying to do something. She just wants literally all the attention. I wish you could see her squirming down here. Okay, and I'm rubbing your belly. Okay, all right, you just want your belly rubbed. And you're getting all your fur on me. Okay, Mama, go away. Okay, so, anywho, before I was interrupted, go lay down. Thank you. She's like, I don't want to lay down. I'm gonna stand over here. So I got this, which is $12.99 originally. Okay, originally $12.99. I don't know if I have the receipt or not, but I mean, 66% off. Yes, 66% off for that. $4.42 today. I mean, then I got these things, these little leaf things. I got them for 68 cents each. 68 cents. I got 3 of them. Then I got these things. This was originally $3.99. I got these for $1.36. This beautiful. These are $4.99. I got these for $1.70 each. This gorgeous little beauty. Oh, I just love this. Poinsettia. Is it poinsettia? Poinsettia. Poinsettia, poinsettia. I don't know. I don't know which one it is. Oh, I can't separate it. Oh, there we go. There we have it. Okay. But anyway, I'm gonna spread it out. I'm gonna make a wreath out of this. So be on the lookout for that. Christmas is in a couple of days. So yeah, it has these like little bead things on it. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. Then I only had one of these, which I'm kind of upset about. It's like crushed velvet. I love these. This was originally $9.99. I got this for $3.40. Yes, yes, yes. And I got one of these. These are also in, all these things are also in my garland. So this one was $2.99. I got it for, $1.02. So I am a happy little camper. And I got these little leaf things too. These are $3.99. I got 2 of them. So yeah. But I'm excited to make my wreath. Oh, I got this flame retardant 9-foot wreath or garland, and I'm gonna make my wreath out of these. So this is gonna be my Dollar Tree hula hoop garland. So yeah, but right now I gotta run because I gotta go get my daughter from after school care, and we will be back because oh yeah, then I went to Michael's. How could I forget this? Went to Michael's, got the hook up. This is gonna go up there. You'll see that in a moment, or in a little bit. And I got 2 of these little wreaths. These were 60% off. I got these for like $3. Original price was $6. Or like $4, or no, like 2 something, $3 basically. So yeah. Yeah. And then I got this, which is in my, I broke this apart. This was in my my other garland too. My garland that I made myself, DIYing. But I got this for half the price as well. Well, more than half the price. I think it was like 60% off, 70% off, something like that. I don't remember. But, oh, I can tell you. So it was originally I don't know how much it was. They only charged me $4 for it. And then my gold garland, they were $20. I got two, so I got them for $16. So I'm assuming they were half off. It doesn't really say on my receipt. Something like that, yeah. Oh no, these were 60% off. Hey guys, real quick, I just wanted to tell you that I got some clips of me at Hobby Lobby picking out some of the picks for my holiday wreath and garland. So if you run out to your store sometime this week or even next week, the week of Christmas, I'm pretty sure that they're gonna have more than 66% off. Sometimes I hear that they go at 90% off, so run out, get some items maybe for next year. You know, it's never too early to start planning these things. And yeah, so here are a few items that I got, and please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will do the same. Have a great day, have a great night, have a great life. Merry Christmas.